Welcome back to the AI 102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 6. You have an Azure AI Foundry project that contains a connection to an Azure OpenAI resource. The project includes a text generation prompt flow that uses this connection. You want to programmatically retrieve the connection details using the Azure AI Foundry SDK for Python. You only need the Azure OpenAI connection, and you want to use the minimum amount of code. So the question is, what should you do? Here are the options. Option A, call the connections.list method and filter the results manually using a loop. Option B, set the connection type parameter to Azure AI Search. Option C, set the connection type parameter to Azure OpenAI. Option D, set the include credentials parameter to true. The correct answer is Option C, set the connection type parameter to connection type Azure OpenAI. Here's why. The connections.list method supports filtering by connection type. By specifying Azure OpenAI, you retrieve only the connections you need. This avoids extra loops, reduces code, and follows best practices, which is exactly what the exam is testing. Now let's quickly review why the other options are incorrect. Option A works, but requires more code, which violates the minimum code requirement. Option B filters the wrong connection type, so it does not return Azure OpenAI connections. Option D only controls credential visibility. It does not filter connections. Exam tip. When an AI-102 question says minimum code or least effort, always use built-in filters instead of manual processing. That's the key to getting these questions right. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI 102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.